Sorry, hello guys. Welcome to this. You know what they make me dey laugh? Well, this question I ain't funny me. I remember those days when we been dey small. A person get ball like this, even if the person no sabi play anything, once una dey play, the person must dey part of that game. If not, the game no go hold. So na this kind same question we get for mathematics. Ojoro just dey everywhere like this. Corruption. He say a committee of 4 boys and 3 girls is to be formed from a club of 10 boys and 8 girls. In how many ways in how many ways can this be done? If a particular boy must be on the game, I be the owner of that ball. So this one be like say na him father na him phone the competition. He wan say him boy must dey that committee, even if he no suppose be part of the committee. Let's see how we fit do am. So from this question now, you will see that there is a restriction on the number of boys, that there must be a particular boy on that committee. But for that of girls, they no restrict anybody. Anybody out of the 8 girls fit dey part of the committee. And then this question is on permutation and combination. So if there is a particular formula of combination that you need to know in order to solve this problem. The formula be say if we have n combination r is the same thing as n factorial over r factorial into n minus 1 factorial. You must know this formula before you can solve. This is the formula for combination. So for the first one, since there is no restriction now, we are just going to bring the question directly. Our number of guests is 8, and then the committee need just 3 guests. That means you have 8 combination 3. Now wetin we need for them be that. But then for the 10 boys, that is only 4 boys that supposed to be on the committee. Out of these 10, e get one particular boy wey suppose dey on that committee. So just comot that one, just take am say na just 9 people remain. If not, that one na just constant. Anyhow you do, e must dey. And then out of the 4 boys wey you wan select, you go still comot one, because that one na constant t. E no dey change, e must dey. So just dey think of how to select only 3 people. You understand? So we go say that one is multiplied by 9 combination 3, because na 9 boy out of the 10, 1 boy must dey there. So we don comot one. Out of the 4, 1 boy must still dey there. We still comot am. So na wetin you go add, you go carry out with this. But we know that this can be expressed in this form. This will be 8 factorial divided by what you say is 3 factorial into 8 minus 3 all factorial. Then times 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 9 minus 3 all factorial. But 8 factorial, wetin be factorial? Factorial mean say you go start dey multiply that number from that place downward. So that means you be having 8 times 7 times 6. Is that okay? Times 6 times 5 factorial. No stop here. We fit even multiply until we reach 1. You understand? But wetin go happen be say we go still get another factorial down here, which is around 5, because 8 minus 3 will be 5 factorial. So that one will cancel this one. Na why we no wan waste our time with that. All divide by 3 factorial is here, which is 3 times 2 times 1. Then h minus 3 will be what? H minus 3 will be times 5 factorial, because this will be 5, then this factorial that is here. So this factorial will cancel this one. You understand? Good. And then we have this side. 9 factorial means say 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. Most stop here, because this 9 minus 3 will still give us 6 factorial down. So that 6 factorial that is down will cancel the one that is out. You don't understand? Maths na smartness. Of course, we don already talk say 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Then 9 minus 3 is what? 6 factorial. You get it? So 6 factorial will still cancel 6 factorial. Let's see whether we can cancel another thing here. 6 times 3 times 2 is what? Is 6, right? This place will give us 6. So this 6 will still cancel this one here. You don't understand? Then this one from this side, We have 3 here. 3 can cancel here 3 times. 2 can cancel here 4 times. That means in the end, we'll be left with what? Everything down here is gone. We have 8 times 7 only this side. This is the only thing that is left here. Times 3 times 4 times 7. That is all what you have. Please just multiply this and write the answer in the comment section. It is this simple. Multiply it and write the answer in the comment section. If you love this and you want to see more of this, just continue to follow me and I will keep on bringing it to you back to back. Bye.